Hi, my name is Stephen McGee and I'm the author of Toxic Electricity. We're here today to look into the electrical grounding system, and that's this connection right here. And we see the cable is going off into the power strip where it connects on to the grounding system. And this connection right here is our reference. This goes off to a non-electrified ground rod that's in my back garden, far away from any electrical systems. And this is the waveform that we get when we look at what's happening with those two connections. And as you can see, it's almost 4 volts peak to peak AC. It's 60 Hertz sine wave, but it's a very distorted sine wave. And as you can see, it's actually varying quite a bit. And what's actually going on is it's very hot near my home right now. I live in Tucson, Arizona, and what we're looking at is the very large loads to do with air conditioners that are on the system right now. And what that's done, it's pushed up the voltage on the grounding system to almost 4 volts peak to peak, and it actually goes up and down. It'll probably be a little bit higher later, because right now it's only 4:24 in Tuesday afternoon, and when everybody comes home and starts switching on their electric cookers and cooking, it's going to get much higher. And it's a concern because this has actually been proven, extensively proven over decades in the dairy industry, to be inducing sickness into the farmers, the families and the animals. And this voltage, around 2 volts AC, is known to kill cows, extended exposure to it. So it's something to be very, very concerned of, because if it's killing cows, you must be doing something to human health. So you need to be aware of this, and particularly if you work with anti-static devices. As surgeons and electronic engineers and semiconductor fabricators, they all work with anti-static devices, and you may actually find that you're getting these voltages on your anti-static devices that you're using, which you connect to your body and put an AC voltage on it. And I've done some quite extensive testing with anti-static devices, and my conclusion is when they have voltages on them like this, that they make you quite sick. So you need to be very, very wary of that. So if you want to find out more about the subject, you'll actually find it in my book. It's called Toxic Electricity, and it details all the health problems that this is suspected of doing to the human. I hope you enjoyed this presentation, and I wish you the very best of health. Thank you.